Hello, welcome back to EagleIoT. This EagleIoT tutorial is designed to guide you through efficient navigation and text size customization for an enhanced user experience. To initiate text size adjustments, locate the font size icon within the tab's navigation bar. This icon resides specifically within the Tools section. Click on it to access the text size configuration panel. Once you've clicked the font size icon, a digital ruler will materialize on your screen. This ruler will illuminate both the existing text size and a comprehensive selection of alternative sizes for your convenience. Take a look at the ruler to see the current text size. It's essential to understand your starting point before making adjustments. To execute the desired text size adjustment, simply engage the ruler by clicking on the percentage value that aligns with your preference. This action will promptly apply the selected text size, ensuring optimal readability. This concludes our tutorial on EagleIoT's navigation and text size adjustments. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. Discover additional tips and tutorials, stay connected for updates, and unlock the full potential of your EagleIoT journey.